Next we'll study about the dependent source. Dependent source is completely different from the independent source. Okay, like till now we have studied the independent source, that is not depending on anything, that's why its name is independent source. Till now we have studied a voltage source, right? Voltage source symbol is like this. Then we'll study about the current source. Current source symbol is like this. Now we'll study about the dependent source. Dependent source is further divided into two categories. Whenever you see the dependent source, means you will have a diamond shape symbol like this. Okay, so one of the source is dependent voltage source. Dependent voltage source, we are having the source like this. Okay, if they said voltage source, means it is positive or negative. Clear? Then next one is the dependent current source. Then in the case of dependent current source, the current source arrow is like this. Okay, now further dependent voltage source is divided into two categories. One is CDVS and one is VDVS. CDVS is the current dependent voltage source, means again it is a dependent voltage source, so positive negative. Now it's depending on what? Current. Okay, so it would be maybe 2ix, maybe 4ix. I just take the random value. Similarly, we are having a dependent voltage source, means positive negative, but this time it is depending on voltage, so it may be 2Vx. Okay, similarly dependent current source is divided into two categories. Further, two types of dependent current source is there. Or then again it would be same, like it would be CDCS or it would be CDVS. CDCS means the current dependent current source. Now it is a dependent current source, so it is depending on current, so maybe 2ix. And now it's current depend sorry, I don't make it wrong, it is a voltage dependent current source. Okay, so now it's this time it is depending on the voltage, so it would be 2Vx. So this is the basic idea of the dependent sources. Okay,